Today guys, we're reviewing this inexpensive electric power washer. We got this one at Menards, but you can probably get it at a lot of other stores.
So we recently picked up this SunJoe 13 amp electric pressure washer. It shoots at about 2000 psi, and it comes with the wand, of course, and 4 attachments, and they're just quick connect, which is pretty cool. So they just have this type of plug on there, kind of like a air tool, and it comes with a 0 degree, a 15 degree, a 40 degree, which is kind of your wide wand angle, and then it comes with a kind of like a spray, they call it a turbo nozzle. Also comes with a foaming cannon. We haven't tried that yet, but everything else works pretty cool. So right here is the on off. You just turn it to on. When you pull the trigger, it pumps the machine up, and you just screw your hose from your house or wherever your garden hose is, just fitting hooks right into there. And that's really it. That's all there is. Plug the extension cord into your wall and you're good to go. It's all set up. If you're looking for a power washer under $200, the SunJoe is a good choice. However, the PSI is not great for every job. If you're trying to peel paint or something like really heavy duty, I would suggest stepping up to a 3000 PSI or more. Like we said, this is a 2000 PSI. But for what we're doing around here at our house and our farm and our job sites, this is a perfect fit. If you would like to see more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.